Hey guys, and welcome to the new tutorial in Java. In this tutorial I would like to show how we can sort an array list. So for that reason we need to generate first an array list of type in this example I would like to show how we can sort an integer array list. So I have defined an integer array list here. So let's see how we can add number in this array list. So I would like to have like 100 numbers in this array list, so I need to create it randomly. I use random class, new random, sorry, random, and we need to import this random class. Now we need to write for loop equal to 0 to put a random number in this array list less than let's say 100 plus plus, and we would like to add less point add one. So yes, so far k is less than 100. It will generate a random number here and put this random number inside this array list. So let's specify this random number be between 0 and 1000. Let's see if we can print this array list. Print line list and see the which if it does work or not. So for that reason, okay, we go to the start without debugging, run the program, and we will see the result here. Yes, we have a random number inside this array list now, and we would like to sort this array list. So let's create method for that to go inside this array list and sort this array list. Right here, static method, public static. Then we need that this method should return an array. So we write array list and it's integer, and we name it save. We name it sorted. And inside this method has a parameter. We are sending an array. Let's name it A. Now we need to create another array list to list 2. Let's name it okay. We need a return because we are return list 2. Here, return list 2. We need to declare a local variable to name it position to take care of the position of the variable. Then we need to use loop. Let's say we can use a while loop here. So we say that while I is less than a point size, so now we need to declare another local variable, the minimum. We have an integer which is giving the maximum value of integer. Then we need to use this for loop here to go through the, for example, here we would like to take the first element which is existing in the integer and compare with the elements which are like in the position second, third, fourth, and so on. Compare with that one and see if and find the minimum of values. So let's see, here we have it. So we say if a point get position k is less than or equal to minimum. What does it mean? It means if the value which is existing here is less than this minimum value. If we declare this value, like if int min is equal to 0, then we'll never find the value which is less than 0 or equal to 0. Suppose if it's 0, then we could not sort this vector. Now we have the maximum value here, then the value which is existing in this vector is less than this minimum. So we find the position k for the first time. We say that, okay, this value is less than minimum, so save it as a minimum. Save it as a minimum and save the position. Also the position, because if it, for the first time, if it find that the minimum value is existing at the position number 3, okay, in this vector at the position number 3 we have a minimum value which is minimum of this array. So next time we don't want this minimum value at exist there, so we want to remove that value, because otherwise next time the minimum would be same value. So we save it and let's see, and we add after we add this minimum in our list, and we remove from this vector element which is existing in this position. Also we say I is equal to 0 again. So let's see, we're not increasing I here. Each time we said that I is equal to 0. Let's see if it is working. Okay, this is our list, and we need to call this method sorted and sending this array list inside the method, and right here the sorted array is Let's run and see the result. Here we can write before sorting. How the list look like and after the sorting? How does it look like? Index 99. Oh, sorry. Here we can have font get size. Run it again. Yes. Let's see. Before sorting, we have this one, and after sorting, yes, here we have it. Before sorting, we have this vector, which starts from 436, and after sorting, we have this vector, which is starting like 23, 25, 45, 58, 86, and up to 987. Okay guys, so this tutorial was about how we can sort an array list. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. See you on next tutorial. Have